Today I want to show you how to change app icons on a laptop. First of all, you need to go to your desktop. Here, you can see that I've changed the icon for this app. In my opinion, the icon for the Chrome browser should be like a globe, as it contains information from all around the world. To do this, first, you need to convert a PNG file into an ICO file. For this, you first need to open any browser. After that, type in this link. The link will be provided here. You can see the link below. Once you type this link, simply press the Enter key. After that, this website will open in front of you. You just need to click the red button that says Choose File. After clicking this, you need to select your PNG picture, the one you want to use for your app's icon. So I'm selecting this file. Once you've selected it, you need to write here what type of file you want to change your PNG file into. We want to change our file into an ICO file. Type ICO here and then select ICO below. Then, you just need to scroll a bit and click on this button. After clicking, your file conversion will start. It might take a little time to convert. And as soon as it's converted, a download option will appear. Click on it. As soon as you click the download button, the download will start. As you can see above, your file is being downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you need to click on the Show in Folder button. After that, your downloaded file will be in the Downloads section. Then, you need to close all windows. Then, you need to hover your cursor over the icon you want to change. Right-click on it. From all the options, click on Properties. When you do this, a new window will immediately open. Here, you just need to click on the Change Icon button. After clicking, you'll immediately get a Browse option. Click on that. Then, a new window will open in front of you. Then, you need to go to the Downloads section and select your icon that you just downloaded from your browser. Double-click on it. Once it's selected, click OK. Then, click Apply and then OK. As soon as you click OK, the icon for your browser will change. Here, you can see that your app's icon has been changed. That was the method to change your app's icon. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.